Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. Wow, Bitcoin's finding some ground. Bitcoin trading at almost 7,600 today, up 5.37%. Ethereum at 134, up 2.94, and XRP trading at 0.196, up 1.23% in the last 24 hours. Now, guys, if you look up here, Bitcoin dominance is creeping up slowly, 68.9%. I'm going to bring up the Bitcoin. You know what? I was going to show you guys something else, but I think that Bitcoin dominance is actually more interesting at the moment. So this was a little diagram that I drew back from September when we saw Bitcoin dominance slowly diminish. What we were looking for was that altcoin rally. We were looking for an alt season. But now, guys, looking at the chart, we're seeing Bitcoin dominance. So this is Bitcoin.D. That is the ticker on TradingView, and you can see this is Bitcoin dominance, and the higher Bitcoin goes up, the more dominant it becomes. This is a key level, the 70% or roughly 73.5% level. This is a key level for Bitcoin dominance, and once it hits that level, we could see buyers getting exhausted and then taking their profits out of Bitcoin and putting them into altcoins. So this is why we tend to see altcoins lagging in comparison to Bitcoin, because investors are putting in their money into Bitcoin, want to see profits first, take their profits out of Bitcoin, then start putting their money into other alternative cryptocurrencies. We saw it in 2017 with the bull run. We saw Bitcoin, and let me just bring that up for you guys, just to show you guys yet again. This is just trader psychology. Okay, this is par for the course for cryptocurrency trading, at least at the moment. So guys, the bull run of 2017, Bitcoin went up here, okay, and then hit its peak on December 2017, then started coming down. Now, if you look at XRP just as a comparison, what happened with XRP? Well, what was that date again? December 17th, 2017. That was around here, okay, here for XRP. Well, as you guys can see, there was a lot more to gain for XRP on December 2017 when Bitcoin hit its all-time high. XRP was still only trading at 0.726 cents. Okay, we know it went up all the way to $3 and change and then came back down. So this pump was a result of people taking their money out of Bitcoin and putting it into XRP. We can see this across the board with other cryptocurrencies as well. So just to be mindful of that, I saw this from XRP Crypto Wolf, and apparently Bitrue is adding 27 new XRP pairs on December 23rd, which is today, and January 9th for Christmas and 2020. So guys, 27. Was it 27? Yeah, 27 new XRP pairs. According to Bitrue's announcement of the 27 new trading pairs, 14 are going live on December 25th, Christmas Day, with deposits and withdrawals for these 14 new crypto assets becoming available on December 23rd. And as for the remaining coins, tokens, deposits, withdrawals will be enabled on January 9th, and trading will go live on January 13th. And guys, here is the full list for you guys. I'm not going to read them all off. A lot of them are very obscure, I'd like to say. Obscure cryptocurrencies. Decentraland is one of them. Raiden Network Token, REN, WePower, Arc Block, Bitcon, Kcash, Allsport Blockchain. This is one of my favorite. The Swift coin. SWFT coin. Someone taking the piss out of Swift. Top Chain, Tripio, just to name a few. So guys, if you have a Bitrue account, this could be good for you as they're ramping up. They're realizing, XRP trading pairs clearly far superior to trade through XRP than many other cryptocurrencies out there, and it's going to have the liquidity, and that's what it's all about. It's all about getting your money to where you need it to get to as quickly as possible. If you guys remember the last bull run of 2017, that was not the case, especially if you were a novice at that time and you're buying Bitcoin and you thought to yourself, okay, I'm going to transfer my Bitcoin to Ethereum or whatever you were going to do, and it was taking hours and hours and sometimes multiple hours, and to the point where you're trading this money and you're getting a little nervous because you're realizing, why is this taking so long? Is my money getting stolen? Am I getting duped here? What's going on? Nope, it's just because the Bitcoin network is so unbelievably slow when it gets bogged down, when we see these kinds of runs, when we see these bull runs. I was just talking to a friend yesterday who literally just got into cryptocurrencies within the last month or two. Okay, he bought Bitcoin. I've been telling him about XRP. He bought Bitcoin. He's looking into XRP. He told me yesterday, he's like, XRP's at 19 cents. I go, yeah, I know it's at 19 cents. Now's the best time to buy, my friend. But anyway, he was getting into Bitcoin, and he's an investor, a traditional investor in the stock market. And we were talking a little bit about GBTC and Bitcoin. And I said, he was also looking to get some GBTC, and I have some GBTC. And I told him, that's probably a good idea, because you'll be able to at least get your Bitcoin out, or rather your money out, when you want, and the network won't be bogged down. He goes, what? And I had to explain to him how Bitcoin works. And he was like, oh my God, I didn't realize that. Anyway, you learn something every day. So keeping that in mind, it's great to see XRP, 27 new trading pairs on the Singapore-based Bitrue exchange. Great news. Guys, I saw this from Leonidas Hajilozu on Twitter. And Leonidas posted this. It was regarding the $22 million in the last funding round for Ripple. And yesterday I did a video about why the Series C is important. Now, Leonidas just puts into perspective here. Prior to the latest funding round, Ripple had raised a total of $121.6 million in funding over 13 rounds, okay? This time it raised $200 million in a single round. So I hope that adds a little bit of perspective to the point I'm trying to make. This Series C funding round is really, really significant for Ripple to now grow and expand and to scale what they are doing today to greater lengths. Okay, people, they have proven themselves, and their investors are realizing, okay, wow, this is actually something that is likely to really, really work, and we stand to make lots of money off our investments. So 200 million in a single round versus 121.6 over 13 rounds. Very significant for Ripple, just to put that in your head. I saw this from social investor at John_Cherry 1970. In the correct order from the Bank of England, these things take time, but Ripple's XRP has the attention of the global money markets. Mark Carney and Christine Lagarde are both aware of the future of money. It will be digital. We use less cash every day. Okay, and this a document from the Bank of England, the FinTech Accelerator Proof of Concept, okay? An official document, an official PDF. Okay, and this with regards to the RTGS integration. And guys, if you look here, he circled it here. We successfully integrated the Ripple solution with 2 simulated RTGS systems hosted in the cloud and demonstrated that we could process a successful cross-border payment across 2 RTGS systems simultaneously. We also demonstrated that an attempted cross-border payment that failed validation on the receiving side would not be honored. So they are using this. They are testing it, and they are using it, realizing what works, what doesn't work. The Bank of England. Okay, this is happening. Really great find from social investor. Thanks so much at John_Cherry 1970. Amazing. And I scrolled down here, saw this from Custom Metal Mark at Custom Metal Mark on Twitter, and this from Ripple's Insights. And you can see here payment systems via a trial with the Bank of England to connect RTGS systems. So they're doing it. Ripple 2 obviously mentioning it on their site. An amazing find. Thanks so much for tweeting that out. I saw this as well from Matthew Liny on Twitter, and this with regards to NTT Data and how they're partnering with R3 and Ripple. So he posted this here. NTT Data and blockchain, more than 170 blockchain subject matter experts across the globe. Okay, 4 innovation labs to foster technology, uses 40 use cases in flight across industries, member of the blockchain consortium's Hyperledger Products Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, R3 Corda, and Ripple. And so I went to the document here. It was a PDF online, NTT Data, and you can see it down here. They are integrating blockchain technology. Ripple, obviously the Interledger, not the only thing that they're using. They are a member also of the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. Nevertheless, great to see Ripple on the list. And for those of you guys who do not know NTT Data, they are a Japanese multinational system integration company and a partially owned subsidiary of Nippon Telegraph and Telephone. So, more info coming out of Japan. We know Japan's already very, very Ripple friendly. I think they will be the first country fully integrated into Ripple technology. That's just my opinion. It doesn't matter whether they are or not. It's just kind of a friendly bet with myself that I'm having that Japan will be the fully first integrated country using Ripple technology. They've just been so far ahead of the game in comparison to other countries, especially in North America and Europe. But that's not to put us down, guys. We are working. We are moving forward with this. This is all great news. 2020 is looking bright. And eventually we will start seeing that price of XRP rise based on the demand that the network will need for XRP. And guys, finally, this from XRP_veteran. He always sends me these great tweets, and I really just had to put this out there. Like and retweet if you agree. The goal is not more money. The goal is financial freedom. It's when you feel comfortable enough to have all your bills covered, then you can really do what you strive to do. So guys, I hope you're gonna like and retweet XRP Veteran's tweet here. It's been a while and I've got to ask, what do you guys plan to do when your cryptocurrency investments rise in value? Do you plan on blowing it all on extravagancies, or, saving, do the responsible thing, paying off your bills, your mortgage, whatever responsibilities you have? Save it for your children. Maybe do a little bit of column A, a little bit of column B. Everybody has got their own definition of financial freedom and success, and I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.